Hello everyone, my name is Anastasia and I'm introducing Mersin real estate agency, and today we are in the very beginning of excavation, because actually a lot of our customers keep asking us, like, we bought this apartment, is it ready or not, is it started or not, please guys send us videos. So our dearest customers, this video is for you. Let's get started. So here we have really super beginning of this complex. This complex is quite premium class complex, and actually I'd like to say this, I'm really impressed of the location, because it will be surrounded by citrus gardens. Maybe I'll show you. I want to show you a little bit of the beginning, and maybe after that we will see the citrus gardens. And there are a lot of apartments like 1+1, 2+1. Prices starts from 55,000 euros only. So I think it's pretty nice, and there are not so many people because it's just get started, like, you know, a few days, a few weeks ago. But trust me, Turkish people are really good at the excavation. They're really fast, you know, as the Flash from the DC universe, or Silver from Marvel. What you want to choose, just choose it. And yeah, here we are. Here we are really beginning, and I need to be careful. This district is in the city center named Mezitli, and you will have your own swimming pool, gas bosses, barbecue areas, security 24/7, everything as usual in Turkey, of course. And more information about this complex I will leave in the comments down below. Please read this, and if you're interested in, you can text me personally, and I will answer on all of your questions. Don't be afraid, guys, don't be afraid. So we are looking for the, actually guys, I'm a little bit shy now, because I just don't know what to tell you about this complex, because as you can see, it's just really beginning, and what to say to you, I'm not sure about it. And only I can tell you more about this location, city center, really urbanistic place. You will be surrounded in the same time, really nice landscape design, really trustable, can I say this, developer. And actually now he's even one of the most famous developers in the whole region, Mersin, because his buildings were in the epicenter of earthquake, and just nothing happened, you know, nothing. And that's why he's really famous now. A lot of people want to buy the apartments from him, because it's, you know, how it works. He passed through the crash test. So yeah, here we go. Citrus gardens, just on the right side. The all right side will be surrounded by citrus gardens. And actually it's not about sea view, guys. I want to say to you, because I don't want to lie, and it's not about the sea view, it's about the really good place, really urbanistic place. Especially if you're a family, your kids need to go to school, and you want to live here permanently, you want a residence permit, this place is for you. Because kids need to go to school, to kindergarten, you need to go to work for work, maybe you get sick, you're really a city person, you want to spend your evenings in the restaurants, you want to go like really quickly to the shopping malls, you want to have all of the supermarkets just right, you know, right on the corner. This place is for you. So Don't leave a minute, please, guys. Hurry up, because this complex will end up in the 2024. And yeah, it will be amazing complex, by the way. Really nice, really beautiful. But now you may see only the beginning. And for all of our dear customers, guys, don't be afraid. Everything is working, everyone is working, and you know this developer is really trustable, so there's nothing to be afraid. The excavation just started. Ta-da! Congratulations. Now you're waiting for the apartment of your dream. And for today, that's it. That's all I want to show you. I hope our customers won't be afraid anymore. And if you're not our customer still, why are you waiting, guys? Just text us, write us, call us, and we will help you to buy a dream house, a house of your dream. I hope you enjoyed this video, because I did, and if you do, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.